I'm Lauren, and in my previous videos, we have completely refurbished this piece from the outside in. So originally we cleaned it in White Lightning cleaning solution all over. We painted in vintage duck egg 2 coats, and then we finished in a satin clear coat all over. Now it's time to restore the inside of our piece. So I'm going to use Dixie Belle's Howdy hemp seed oil product to enhance the quality and the durability of my wood. So this product's cool because you can also use it over your chalk paint, which most people don't know. But if you use it on the inside of your product, it's really gonna restore that luster to your wood. So I'm gonna use an applicator pad that Dixie Belle makes to apply my product all over. I love this applicator pad because it has no streaks, no lines after using. Also, this pad has small little nodes on it that leave no awkward lines afterwards. Like some other applicator pads have those large loops on them that leave you with this funky design afterwards. Not this. So I'm gonna use this to apply the hemp seed oil. So a little goes a long way with our Dixie Belle hemp seed oil. So what's neat about this product is that it dries in 2 hours, but you definitely want to come back to your piece maybe a day later, and here's why. Because this is an oil-based product, the wood is going to reject any excess oil. So when you come back after a few hours, there might be some pools of oil sitting on your piece. You're just going to wipe those away because the wood has rejected that oil. It was too much. So look at that nice spread. No lines. And this is just enhancing the overall durability and look of your wood and your piece. So now we're applying hemp seed oil to our applicator pad, and we are going to apply this to the inside of our drawer. So as you can see, this wood has lost its luster and shine, but now look at it. You work the hemp seed oil into the wood, going with the wood grain. And if you have any deep scratches, this product is gonna help. Look at that. Make sure to get into the nooks and the crannies. And what's great is that this is also a food safe product. You can put it on cutting boards and wood blocks in your kitchen, and it's completely wood safe. Look at that. Look at that shine. This is just increasing the durability of your wood. So we've used the Howdy hemp seed oil product on the inside of our piece and on the outside. And me personally, what I love about this product is I have this barn door at home, and the wood starts to lose its luster after 6 to 8 months, but I just keep on applying this product and increasing the durability of the wood. That's why I love this product so much.